Hello there. We just watched the movie Drive Away Dolls. It is from 2024. It is a 1 hour and 24-minute long comedy. And it says, two women embark on a road trip to Florida, but things go awry when a mix-up puts a group of inept criminals on their trail. I love the representation in this movie. But, and it's rated R, by the way, if I didn't say that. But comedy. I just didn't really think it was all that interesting. I didn't like the cutaways that they did in the movie. I found those to be a little bit disruptive to the flow of the movie. It wasn't really predictable. You think you might know what's happening, but then they kind of do a little bit of a spin on that and do something differently. It's not one that I'd watch again, and honestly, I didn't find it to be that funny. Or
there was like 2 little funny points.
It was kind of a quirky movie, but I don't know. I would probably give this a 2 out of 5, unfortunately.
You already called it what I was saying, too. Yeah, 2 out of 5.
I don't know. I just felt like
it's not worth a watch.
Yeah, it was a disappointment.
Yeah, and they had a lot of big names in it, too, but...
Yeah, they really did.
I was expecting more, but...
But yeah, it let me down. I was not loving it. I'll see if I can find it online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you have seen Drive Away Dolls, let me know what you thought of it. Maybe I'm being way too harsh. And if you haven't seen Drive Away Dolls, don't. Yeah, I'd say skip it. Save your hour and a half and do something else. Because, yeah, it's a bit of a letdown. Sucks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.